Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where we uncover the fascinating tales hidden in the everyday objects around us. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, diving into the secrets that shaped our world, one object at a time. Let's explore what's hidden in plain sight. Today, we're going to stick to a topic that decorates millions of homes around the world: wallpaper. Let's peel back the layers of history to see how wallpaper has hung around through the ages, transforming walls and interiors with every roll. Wallpaper begins its story not on walls, but as hand-painted decorative sheets that were used in Europe in the Middle Ages to adorn the homes of the wealthy. These early wallpapers were luxury items, each sheet a work of art, often gilded and embossed to reflect the opulence of its owner. But wallpaper as we know it really began to unroll in the 16th century when the printing techniques evolved. The introduction of block printing allowed for repeated patterns that could be produced more efficiently than hand painting. Imagine the shift from exclusive, one-of-a-kind decorations to something more accessible, yet still highly stylish. As we move into the 18th century, England and France were at the forefront of wallpaper production. The designs became increasingly intricate, often imitating architectural details or tapestries. It was during this time that wallpaper began to make its way into middle-class homes, although it remained a symbol of taste and status. Then came the Industrial Revolution, and with it the ability to mass-produce wallpaper. Suddenly, what was once a symbol of wealth became a common feature in homes across the social spectrum. The development of continuous rolls and the introduction of machine printing in the 19th century allowed for even more elaborate and colorful designs at a fraction of the cost. In the 20th century, wallpaper would see periods of high fashion and disdain. From the bold psychedelic patterns of the 1960s to the minimalist trends of the 90s where plain walls were in vogue, wallpaper has always mirrored cultural trends. Today, wallpaper is experiencing a renaissance, fueled by new technologies and an interest in personalized interiors. Digital printing has opened up new possibilities for customization and creativity, making wallpaper a key player in contemporary design once again. Thanks for joining me on today's journey into the past. Remember, there's wonder all around us, just waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to stay updated with our weekly mysteries and more curious finds. This is Ethan Carter, signing off until next time.